Hello students, welcome to you all in your Zoom classes. I am Shikha Saxena. Today I am going to teach you first chapter of Behind the Fun They Had, written by Isaac Asimov. This chapter is a science fiction. Children, question may arise in your mind. What is science fiction? Science fiction is that branch of literature which deals with the reaction of human beings to change in science and technology. It tells the story of two young children named Tommy and Margie who lived in the year 2157, where children get an education through computers at their home. One day they come through a printed book and learn something about the school that existed hundreds and hundreds of years ago. It is a matter of great surprise for them because they are living in the age of moving e-text. It is the year 2157 when Margie makes a diary entry which reveals that Tommy has come across a book printed on paper. The pages of the book have turned yellow and wrinkled, which proves that it existed centuries ago. The book is peculiar in the sense that it had the same words on it that it had when they read it the first time. They were not moving like that on a computer or television screen. Tommy calls it waste because once the book is read, it is of no use. Their television screen has had a million books on it and one cannot throw it away. Margie is of the same opinion, but she is curious to know what the book is about. Tommy tells her that it is about school. She hated school, but now she hated it more than ever because her mechanical teacher had been giving her test after test in geography. She had been doing worse and worse. Her mother sends for the county inspector, who is a round little man. He removes the mechanical teacher apart and sets it right within an hour, which only increases Margie's disappointment. He tells her mother that it was not Margie's fault, but the geography sector of the mechanical teacher was geared a little too quick and he has slowed that to an average 10-year level. He assures Margie and her mother that there will be no problem henceforth. Margie is curious to know about the school that existed in the past. Tommy tells her that it is not their kind of school. That is the old kind of school that they had centuries ago. The students had human teachers who taught them and gave them homework and also asked them questions. Margie argues that a man cannot be smart enough. Tommy further tells her that the teachers did not live in the house. They had a special building and all the kids went there. The kids of the same age learned the same thing. Now it is Margie's school time. She goes into the school room, which is right next to her bedroom, and the mechanical teacher is on and waiting for her. She puts her homework in the slot with a sigh. She is still thinking about the old schools they had when her grandfather's grandfather was a little boy. All the kids from the whole neighborhood came laughing and shouting in the schoolyard, sitting together in the schoolroom, going home together at the end of the day. Those schools were far better than the schools of today because they offer great fun to the students. Yes, children, this is the summary of the chapter. Let us first see the meaning of difficult words. Crinkly means many folds and lines like this. Awfully funny, rather humorous. Gee, exclamation of surprise. County inspector, local person whose job is to repair robots. Loftily, a superior way. Betcha, used in informal conversation, means bet you, I am sure. Now we will discuss some short questions and long question of the chapter. Question 1. Why did Tommy and Margie find the printed book strange? Answer. Margie and Tommy found the book strange because they had not seen any printed book as they belonged from 22nd generation and they were surprised to see a real book. Tommy and Margie had telebooks and they had not seen any hard copy of such. Next question. How were the schools in the book different from Margie's school? Margie's school was at home. She had a mechanical teacher, telebooks. No other students were there in the class, and work was fed in by the mechanical teacher by punch codes. Whereas the old schools had proper buildings, many students, human teachers who gave homework and asked questions. Everyone learned the same things and books were of papers. So it is clearly visible that Margie's school was totally different from the schools that existed hundreds of years ago. Next question. Even mechanical teachers are not perfect. Give example from the story The Fun They Had. Answer. Margie's mechanical teacher was winded up a little too much, for which Margie suffered with lots of geography tests. Tommy's mechanical teacher's memory about history lessons were completely blanked out, and the mechanical teacher was took away for a month. This shows that even mechanical teachers were not perfect. Next question. Which school did Margie find better and why? Margie finds the earlier school better because the teachers were humans and all teachers as well as students come to a common building to study. They could sit together and learn the same thing. They could help each other out with their homeworks. The other better things was that they can make many friends. Next question. What did the county inspector do to improve Margie's performance? The county inspector found that the geography sector had been geared too quick. He slowed it up to an average 10 years level. He found the overall performance of Margie was quite satisfactory. Let us come to the long questions. Question is compare and contrast the human teachers and mechanical teacher. Human teachers have emotions, but mechanical teachers do not. Human teacher can ask and solve query of students, but mechanical teacher only teach. Human teacher can notice the feeling of students, but it is not so in mechanical teacher. There is an exchange of ideas and emotions between human teacher and students, but it is not done by mechanical teacher. Human teacher can move, but the mechanical teacher had to be fixed. The IQ of human teachers is the most, as the mechanical teacher or computer have zero IQ level. They do whatever we instructed to them. Next question is, telebooks and ebooks are need of the hour, especially when we have to save trees, papers and other resources. Comment taking example from the lesson The Fun They Had. Children, the answer of this question is The Fun They Had is the story where we do not have books to study. Instead, we have a mechanical teacher on a computer. If there is sentence of saving papers, then telebooks and ebooks are very much needed. Telebooks and ebooks are available online where we can download and can read from the computer whenever needed. Every year, many trees have been cut for the paper extract. So, in order to reduce this deforestation, then telebooks and ebooks are important. If telebooks are used, then there is less uses of space and portable. Hopefully, you have understood the chapter. Thank you.